This is Ben Shelton.
Yes.
Visiting. He's American from Washington State, visiting from London, where he works.
Yes.
And I was an acquaintance of his late uncle and the uncle's late partner back in the early, maybe mid-1980s, a long time ago.
Yep.
And anyway, and as he lives in London, I thought I would show him this work I did about a woman of diverse parentage, Noor Inayat Khan, whose mother was from Albuquerque, New Mexico, and his father was from India, and she grew up in England and in France, and ended up leaving France with the family after the Nazis invaded northern France, and she was volunteered for the British intelligence services, and she was eventually captured by the Nazis and murdered in a Nazi concentration death camp. And Noor Inayat Khan, and we have allegorical sea monsters, and I've made all this kind of artifacts around the on the frame, including the rocks and stones are from walks I took along the Thames River in 2017. The metal thing there on the left was from a sewing machine in Aberdeen, Scotland. Anyway, you're
That's
on.
great. Well, I love the framing of kind of other everyday items and artifacts around it. The hanger, the combination of woods, rock, and metals. It's very cool. I've not seen a lot of your work before, other than the etching that I have, and I love the collage quality. This canvas is coming together as multiple pieces to make it up. It's not just one blank canvas, and I think that adds a lot of depth in telling of the story. Very fine line pen work, along with a little bit fatter kind of color with the pencil and the crayon. It's pretty fantastical, these allegorical monsters kind of coming in at her. I do really like this beige set off in the middle too, but I like color block a lot, so that speaks to me.
You could teach like introduction to art history, like survey classes. You have a really good sense of history and kind of very astute perception.
I do like that hummingbird as well. That's nice.
This happened yesterday. I had a glass ashtray on here, which got knocked off when I was moving this from a wall to put it over here for your visit.
Yeah.
And the glass ashtray had pieces of barbed wire I'd picked up on a beach in Newborough, Scotland, on a walk in 2015, I think, going back to British military anti-Nazi, anti-tank fortifications.
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, and then I went to Goodwill looking for a piece of plastic that would fit like equivalent to like a glass. I didn't find anything. I found this and mounted it on there yesterday, which works for me metaphorically, kind of, because I drew metaphoric birds' wings for years before I started the allegorical sea monsters. Anyway, I think it works there.
It's very, very
and
nice.
You'll notice the toy bus I probably got at Goodwill too.
Yeah.
A while ago, yeah.
We give a lot of those to our friends.
So, thank you, Benjamin.
Thank you.